You want to start drawing with pen and ink, or you have already been doing this, and occasionally you have no ink. Yes, it happens sometimes. And maybe you don't have possibilities to get it somewhere. Maybe there is no art shop in your area, or maybe there is no ink in your local art shop, or I don't know, maybe you just don't have enough money to buy a bottle of ink because manufactured inks could be really expensive. Anyway, you still need some ink to draw, so what should you do? Do it yourself. It's really easy. My name is Nick, this is my art channel, and today I will show you a full process of making a homemade ink. It's extremely easy, extremely cheap, and 100% organic and non-toxic. So let's go to my workshop and dive straight into the process. We will need some watercolor painting tubes just for our base pigment, a glass of clean water, a cup or anything just for mixing, and a stick to blend our future ink. You can choose whatever color you want. Personally, I prefer brownish tones, so I picked up some sepia, some burnt umber, and burnt sienna. Now I'm trying to decide what colors to choose to achieve an ideal tone. Sepia is too dark. I will take burnt umber and burnt sienna and mix them together. So now we are pulling our colors from the tube and then mix them with clean water. Now let's test what we achieved. For me it's too light, so I decided to add a little bit more of burnt umber. It's still too light. Let's add even more. And that is exactly what I wanted. Just look at this beautiful color. The only thing left for us to do is to pour the ink into the bottle. And here it is, my pure liquid gold. Now, of course, we need to test our ink, so let's draw a little pretty picture.